Do you like practical tools like vision boards to help you manifest? Watch this video to learn another practical and fun tool to help you increase your manifestation power. I'm Dr. Tiffany Shelton Mariel. I am a psychologist and owner of Conscious Life Shop, and I post weekly videos on how to create a manifestation mindset. So please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I post every Thursday. Look, manifestation doesn't have to be complicated, and on your journey to manifest your dream life, there are practical tools that can help you manifest a little bit easier. By the end of this video, you will know how to use the scripting technique to increase your manifestation power. On my manifestation journey, I have learned many practical tools that are backed by evidence-based psychology. And I want to share these tools with you because I've used them myself in things of work, and I've also helped other people use them to improve their lives and attract their dream life. My first tip is just to give you the essentials of what you need, which is really easy: a pen and a paper. How practical is that? The next tip is, before you start scripting, I want you to focus on one thing. This is how I like to do it. Focus on one thing that it is that you're trying to manifest. And if it flows with you, you can focus on all the things that you're trying to manifest. But for me, I like to focus on one thing at a time. So each day I script focusing on a different thing that I'm trying to manifest. My next tip is to take a moment to align with your manifested self. Which is like, what does that mean? So for me, your manifested self just means the person who you will be, the person that you're becoming when you manifest your dreams. I want you to take a moment to close your eyes before you start scripting and imagine her. Imagine her, visualize her, and align with how she feels. Just take a moment, close your eyes, and really tune into yourself when you have manifested the goal that you're thinking of. And then lastly, my last tip is to then just open your eyes and start journaling as if you were your manifested self. Project yourself into the future and journal as if you were her. And here are a couple ways that you can start this journaling process. You may offer gratitude. So you may start off talking about, I'm so thankful for my husband and my beautiful children. I can't believe how blessed I am. I'm so grateful for this beautiful car and house that I have. I'm so grateful that I feel joy every day. That's one way that you can really tune in with your manifest self, is start writing what she's grateful for as if you were her. Another thing you can do is journal about a day in her life. Just talk about, imagine when you manifested this goal of yours, and then imagine a day in the life of having that thing that you want to manifest. So just to make this clear, let's call that a baby. So you're going to imagine a day with your child and your family, and you are going to then write about that day as if you were her with your baby and your family, and just really journal as in a day in the life of that person who's manifested that version of you that's manifested that. Another way you can do this is to write about how she feels that day. Just start journaling how she feels. I feel incredibly loved. I feel incredibly blessed every day. I feel exhilarated that I get to make an impact on the world the way it is that I want to. And you can really just keep journaling all your feelings of your manifested self, and really just express how she's feeling in the moment that you're in right there as you're scripting. Another way to script, another prompt for you, is to journal as if you are saying a prayer to God as your manifested self. So how would she pray? Or she or he, if you're a guy, sorry. How would she pray? How would he pray? How would he thank God? How would she ask for something in the future? How would she process things with God? And just journal from her perspective, whether that's things that she's trying to then manifest thereafter, or whether it's thanking God, or whether it's just aligning with her inner divinity. How would she journal in a prayer? And I also have a download for you, which I'll link in the description below, with 10 scripting prompts, absolutely free, that just gives you 10 prompts that you can use while scripting each day, just to kind of get you started. So those are my tips on scripting. And now that you know everything about scripting, you may be wondering, how do I make all this manifestation how do I make all this manifestation stuff work on a daily basis? And I have a download for you in the description below on how to create a manifestation daily routine. And you can take what you want from there, leave what you don't want, do whatever feels right for you. But it's just a place to get you started so you can kind of add all this manifestation stuff in your daily routine. You don't even have to think about it. So click the link in the description below to check that out. Again, thank you so much for watching. I said again, but I never said thank you. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, namaste.